All right, now we are on the couch and I have the light right here. The first thoughts when I actually open the box is the build quality, and I want to talk about it a little bit compared to the first light they sent me, which was the video conference light. That one looked a little bit plasticky, look a little bit cheap. This one is aluminum and it feels a little bit more firm. It might take a few hits. I wouldn't push it too hard. You don't want to break this. But overall, it's solid. I think it's great quality, to be honest. All right, guys, before we jump into the specs, I would like to clarify this light was sent to me by UskeyVision. They did send it at no cost. However, I will not be giving you a dishonest opinion. I want to be completely transparent and honest on my opinion and this first look. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. Now let's talk about the specs. Let's start with the price. This light is priced at $55.99. You could get it in Amazon or their website. Overall, the build quality looks pretty neat, and I love it especially for that price. If you look around other brands, other tube lights, this is technically more a one than a tube light. Those are priced a little bit higher, probably twice or three times the price of this one. So I love that. Let's turn the light on so you guys can take a look. We got 9 different lights colors, as you can see. I don't want to beam you guys, so I'll aim it down. We have the police mode, white light, yellow, that's like an orange, right? Red, like green, blue, back to yellow, magenta, or purple. Okay. All right, so for the price, I love it. It's pretty awesome. To turn it off, just hold it. You could change the intensity on those buttons, which I'm gonna do right now. Let's see how bright it gets, and I'm gonna ask my team to please turn off the lights so we could see the power of the wand. So we just turn off all the secondary lights. We have the key light on me, which is not that bright, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Click it once and I'll go to the lowest power, and I think that's the lowest power. So you can see it on me, on you guys. Okay, we're gonna go to the brightest power. Let's see if holding it, yeah, you can hold it, and I think that's the brightest one. Woo. So you guys can see it on you guys. Awesome. Let's turn everything back on. All right, friends, so let's talk about the white balance on the Kelvin scale. It has 3 modes from what we saw. This is the 32K. This one is halfway, so we're guesstimating 46, which you kind of gotta aim it to the light. And then this is 56. There it is. So we got those 3 white balances. It's a shame that you can't really adjust it manually. I mean, I think it's plenty for most video personnel or even photography, but I don't think that's the strongest part of this light. It's good to have it, but I would like to have a little bit more control. And once again, this light is just around the $55 mark, so hey, you gotta make it for the price. So. Another thing that I would like to point out is that the maximum brightness of this light is 1000 lumens, and it does come with this controller for long distance or wireless handling. It also includes this little handy tool that you could mount it in a light stand or a tripod. It's an adjustable bulb head that you could aim it anywhere, so I really like this. Don't forget, it also includes the rechargeable cable. It's an USB, micro USB actually, I know the previous one had the USB-C, so they're probably gonna update this in the future. We'll see. This light is under £1, so it's pretty handy and pretty portable. It does include a travel bag, which is pretty handy. And let's put it in the bag. Okay. I love it. Pretty awesome. All right, guys, that concluded our first look on the couch. We'll be taking this light off the couch on a photo shoot, so you guys could see the part 2 of this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.